Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And now today we will focus on how to use offset by using flanges. Okay, so for take this new file and click subtype as a sheet metal and untick this mark, click on OK. Those who are new on this channel, so I would like to request subscribe this channel and share and like to your friends so that they will also get the benefit of this, those who are in the design field and as a mechanical engineer and diploma holders. So click on this planner, select this front plane and click on sketch view, and next take this center rectangle, draw it over here like this, click on OK. Primary sheet is generated, make thickness 5 mm, click on green tick mark, and here a primary wall is generated. Now click on this flange, create it over here like this. Okay, and right click over here and edit definition. Okay, click on thickness, put 20. This is bend radius, so put 10 over here. Okay, now this bend radius is 10. Now here you can see there is a offset tool in the flange. Okay, so what is the purpose of this offset we will see in this video. And here you can observe this flange is created, okay, on this primary wall. Here you can see here is the joint with bending radius of 10. Now what is meant this offset? If someone like to make this flange out of this primary wall or on this primary wall, so you can do that. Click on this tick mark. Okay, now it is in automatic. You can set it by values also. So first of all, click on by value. I will show you. Put offset distance. If I like to make 50 millimeters, you have entered a value that is invalid. Okay, it means it is not taking that value because it is out of range. System will take maybe 10. Put 10 over there. Okay, and now this is offset. Here you can see. Okay, again observe here the changes. Again I put if I put 0, it is changing. Now again put the offset distance as a 10 millimeter. Here you can observe the changes in the drawing. Okay, it will not take 11 millimeters. No, it's taking, maybe it will take up to 15. It is 15 millimeter also taking, but 20 millimeters it is not taking 20 millimeters. Okay, so it is out of range value. Okay, so it is taking up to 15 millimeters. Now yeah, it is up to by using values. Okay, by using value you can adjust the and add to part edge. Means if you click on this, okay, so this will generate only at the part edge, at the end of part edge. Okay, again click on it and click on automatic. Okay, now this is in automatic. So just observe here, if I click on add to part edge, okay, so this flange is created at the end of this primary wall. Okay, so most of the times during drawing the any sheet metal, it is necessary whether that flange is inside or the flange is outside of that primary wall. You can you can draw it by taking the reference of the drawing. Okay, so in this video this is all about this, how to use offset. And I have told about this shape also, and shape placement, and after that age treatment also I have explained in my previous video. You can check that video in my YouTube channel. And on the next, like a relief bendal size, we'll see in the next videos. Okay, so thank you very much friend for watching this video.